Tesla has recently unveiled the Optimus Gen-2, a groundbreaking innovation that possesses the remarkable ability to sense touch and mimic human movements with uncanny precision. The Optimus Gen-2 stands as the epitome of artificial intelligence, capable of autonomously learning tasks akin to a human child. Its potential is boundless, as it can be taught virtually any skill that humans possess. Moreover, through continuous practice, it can refine its abilities and potentially surpass the capabilities of humans. Looking ahead, the future holds even greater promise for this technology. Imagine a world where robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, offering convenient solutions to a myriad of tasks. From providing temporary home services such as cleaning, gardening, repairs, and cosmetics, to undertaking vital roles in our homes and offices like cooking and driving, the possibilities are endless. What sets these robots apart is their adaptability and ease in handling complex tasks. With access to vast online resources, they can be trained in a matter of minutes, ready to tackle any challenge thrown their way. Whether it's performing arduous labor or delicate medical surgeries, these robots excel where human limitations may fall short. Indeed, the capabilities of these robots extend far beyond the confines of human potential. From space exploration and unraveling scientific mysteries to providing security, revolutionizing precision agriculture, conducting groundbreaking research, and even serving as impartial and flawless judges, their potential knows no bounds. Furthermore, their unparalleled precision and speed in controlling machinery, automobiles, and computers ensure greater efficiency and productivity across various industries. In essence, the Optimus Gen-2 heralds a new era where human ingenuity converges with artificial intelligence, paving the way for a future where the boundaries of what can be achieved are redefined.